Have you ever wondered what it is like to cruise during the Super Bowl? And even more specifically, to cruise on Virgin Voyages during the Super Bowl? Well, we're going to be doing that. Today is Super Bowl Sunday, the Eagles and the Chiefs, and we are representing for the Broncos, but I'll let you know what kind of parties and activities they have planned. So we are here at the Virgin Voyages port, just kind of waiting to get on board.
We're in Miami.
We in Miami, but you can see people are already lined up. They're literally already in line. So kind of crazy, but yeah, we're ready to get on board. See you on board.
Ready? Y'all ready? Everything. You pay for your drinks.
Okay.
Everything. Over your cabin. You can hook it like this.
Awesome. Ooh. Make a splash, huh? All right, so we're already through security. It was super quick. Now we're headed to the boarding area. Yay! We are getting on the ship. How do you feel, man?
Good.
Woo-woo.
Welcome back. How are you? Good to see
Hello.
you. What's up? Welcome.
Thank you. Oh, wow. Hi. Thank you. Hello. Thank you. We're just on 8, so we may as well walk up. So I'm just gonna open the room. And this is our first time on Virgin, but I know I hear a lot of people complain about the room tour, and we're looking forward to getting our vacation started. See you soon. All right, so we are at the galley having our first meal. I got the Impossible Burger and the fries, and then Mike has a regular burger and fries. We decided to try some sushi also, and so I actually have the just the cucumber bento box. So I'll let you know how it is. I can tell you these french fries are tasty.
Should have a quick one, and then I'll go.
That's nice and fresh. They've got Coke Zero, so I'm very happy.
I'll put it in your thing. And then I'll. All right.
Alright, we're gonna get our food and I'll check back in with you. This is what I have been looking for. Lick me till I scream. Thank you so much. I'm happy now.
So
we're at the dock house, and we probably ordered our food about 45 minutes ago. It's still not here. I flagged down a waiter, and he said he was going to check on it. That was probably 10 minutes ago. So we raised our flag again. So somebody finally responded to the flag, and he goes, "Let me check." Mind you, we asked somebody else to check about 15 minutes ago. So we were never going to get our food. It's not just that it was slow, like it was never coming. What are you thinking about the Virgin customer service so far?
Yeah, so this is their major hiccup today. But here he comes right now.
Sorry about that, man.
All right.
Because it's really.
I don't think it was ever going to come. Would it have ever come?
No, I checked already. Which
Okay.
is sometimes the papers on the ticket it has glitch, and then they still keep coming. Before yours are already 1 hour as well. They're not getting food.
Wow.
Yeah.
So they just got steak.
Yes.
So hopefully
for
we'll
you.
get our steak.
That was good.
So my husband's trying the octopus. How you like the octopus? Good?
Chewy, good, seasoned well. Bravo.
All right. So I've got the shrimp. I'll give this a try. So annoyed. So annoyed. I am a stickler for customer service. I work in sales and marketing, and my customers run me ragged, and I go above and beyond. So when I don't get customer service, that's literally like my Achilles heel. That's what's been going on so far. We wanted to go back to our room, make sure our luggage had gotten here. It's almost time for the sail away party. It's Super Bowl Sunday, so we've got like a lot on our agenda. And so to sit somewhere for 45 minutes and not get your food is pretty annoying. The shrimp is good. But I would like to try the hanger steak that I ordered. I will say that the drinks, I got it's called the Golden Horizon. They don't skimp on the liquor. They really don't. It was strong. So that was good. Hopefully I'll get my hanger steak. If it's not here in the next 5 minutes, we're just gonna go to our room. We haven't even checked on our luggage since we initially checked in 3 hours ago. So we'll go check on that and then head to the sail away party. Thank you so much.
Now, friends, this is the last voyage for the current happening scouts on board. We will look at if you're ready to create some memories that will last a lifetime. I want to hear you say, ahoy! Let's go! DJ Tash, play that music and let's make shit happen!
Now I told you twice, we gon' light it up like it's dynamite.
So this is my balcony room. We're leaving Miami. Sailing away has officially begun. I just stepped away to grab a couple of things from my room, and then I'm going back to the red room where we're watching the Super Bowl. Right, so we are at Agave.
Do you just have like a classic margarita? Yeah, it's not a fusion. Oh, chicken food. Yeah, I'll just do it. 11 or spicy margarita. Okay. If you want, you can buy a package. Yeah. 25 margaritas. Do it. 25. $25 for 3 margaritas.
I won't drink 3.
Just one, yeah?
Yeah.
How about you, sir?
I guess I will take the fresco.
That's going to be little bit
So we have the shrimp. This is the squash. We have the guacamole, the potatoes, and then the corn that everybody talks about. Can't wait to try that. And then I got a smoked, no, not a smoked, spicy margarita.
It's like a,
I'll have to be able to fly, I guess.
It's all right. It's a little tart. The only thing I can tell you is their drink is packed with punch.
What?
take yours.
So the steak is here, the ribeye with cheese, and then we also got the poblano pepper. The ribeye is could be just a tad bit more tender. Said it could be a tad bit more tender to me.
That's spicier.
Which
About
is
as
good.
tender as it's gonna be.
Really? Michael's loving you. On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you give it? 10. A 10? Okay. All right, guys. So you heard it from the mister. He gives it a 10. So we got the bread pudding, and we got the, I think it's pineapple and passion fruit pastry, and then Michael got the chocolate tacos for dessert. So that's what we're working with. Let's see how it tastes. You know it's good when you gotta dance. You try the pastry. Try that, babe.
Yeah, cool. This one?
This is really good too. Really good.
It's alright.
The pastry ain't no joke. How do you like the tacos?
Fantastic.
You love chocolate though.
Mm-hmm. You don't wanna?
I'll take a bite. You know I don't love chocolate.
You got to gas. You have to love chocolate.
I would prefer vanilla any day. That is good though. It's really good. But my favorite of the three, they were all really good. Those are some good desserts. But it's the was I saying banana pudding? It's bread pudding if I did. It's the bread pudding for the win. some kind of wafer on here. What is it? It almost tastes like toffee. This is delicious. Delicious. All right, well, it is 10:30. We had a really late dinner because of the Super Bowl. We were actually supposed to be here at 9:45, and I moved us up, so we didn't see much of the second half, but it was obvious that the Eagles were going to take it home anyway. So I didn't want to miss Pink Agave, and it didn't disappoint. We're going to go back to our room, and if we go to the dinner, to the pajama party, I'll be back. If not, see you tomorrow.